أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
واسألهم عن القرية التي كانت حاضرة البحر إذ يعدون في السبت إذ تأتيهم حيتانهم يوم سبتهم شرعا ويوم لا يسبتون لا تأتيهم كذلك نبلوهم بما كانوا يفسقون.
Ask them about the town by the sea, when they violated the Sabbath. When they observed the Sabbath, their fish would come to them abundantly. But when they violated the Sabbath, their fish would not come to them. Thus we tried them because they disobeyed.
وَإِذْ قَالَتْ أُمَّةٌ مِّنْهُمْ لِمَ تَعِظُونَ قَوْمًا اللَّهُ مُهْلِكُهُمْ أَوْ مُعَذِّبُهُمْ عَذَابًا شَدِيدًا قالوا معذرة إلى ربكم ولعلهم يتقون.
And when a group of them said, "Why do you counsel a people whom Allah will annihilate, or punish with a severe punishment?" They said, as an excuse to your Lord, and so that they may become righteous.
فلما نسوا ما ذكروا به أنجينا الذين ينهون عن السوء وأخذنا الذين ظلموا بعذاب بئيس بما كانوا يفسقون.
Then, when they neglected what they were reminded of, we saved those who prohibited evil, and we seized those who did wrong with a terrible punishment, because of their sinfulness.
فلما عتوا عما نهوا عنه قلنا لهم كونوا قردة خاسئين.
Then, when they rebelled against the commands to refrain, we said to them, "Be despicable apes."